to roll your towels, giving you a more luxurious feeling in your bathroom. I'll show you. Let's start with this. And you need some space to do like the easy one. Okay, so you have your towel. Hang on. You will start by making a triangle and then you will fold it over like that. And now you have to flip it whoop, around and make sure you do one fold and then you will roll it. Roll it. And at the end, you just tuck it in like that. Same procedure. You make a triangle and flip it up, and then you flip the whole towel. One fold, and then you will roll it. And at the end, you tuck it in like this. So this is the easy way. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe and comment below if you want me to do something else.